Welcome to LineSight. Today we will go through the tutorial for the Line Overview screen. Line Overview is used for analysis and editing of the production process. The upper section of the screen displays the name of the product currently in production, along with the information such as actual production speed, desired production speed, produced number of bottles per day and shift, and produced volume for day and shift. Gantt diagrams show original production data that is used in the reports, and name of the product that was produced in observed time period. Each segment of the Gantt diagram is described with color and text. When the segment is sufficiently long, the text is displayed within the segment. If not, text can always be viewed inside the tooltip when the mouse cursor is placed over the segment. A trend view of the line production is shown below the Gantt diagram. The red line indicates the target production speed, while the green segments reflect the actual speed throughout the production period. Actual values are shown in the tooltip by moving the mouse cursor over the trend view. Gantt diagrams and trend view are synchronized, meaning that changing the time period on the trend view will also change time period on the Gantt diagram. Time period can be selected by using the functions zoom in, zoom out, move backward, move forward, and original range. Furthermore, time period can be determined by selecting the time period directly from the Gantt diagram. Table, located below the trend view, contains detailed information regarding each of the segments from Gantt diagram. Mouse click on the desired segment in the Gantt diagram automatically marks the table row with segment information. Segment information can be changed by selecting the segment and clicking on the Edit button in the bottom left corner of the screen. Modify stoppage option allows editing of the following parameters: recipe name, stoppage type, and stoppage location. Add stoppage option allows adding of the stoppage inside the selected stoppage by entering start time, recipe name, stoppage type, and location. Remove stoppage option is used to delete selected segment. Segment information can also be changed by pressing the right mouse click on the segment in the Gantt diagram. By selecting multiple consecutive rows in the table, you can change data for multiple segments at once. Segment information can also be changed by pressing the right mouse click on the segment in the table. Process failure or breakdown is set via drop-down menu. Process failure is labeled PF, while breakdowns are divided into three types: automation, electrical, and mechanical. Comments are made by double-clicking the field in the comment column. Information regarding each shift is accessed via these buttons in the toolbar below the table. If selected shift hasn't started yet, shift from the previous day is displayed. You can also display 3 shifts simultaneously by clicking on this button. In this case, third shift from previous day is displayed along with the first and second shift from today. You can apply filter so the table only contains stoppages that are caused by process failure or breakdown. Clicking on this button activates online mode, which means that information will be updated in real time. Online mode shows last 8 hours. Gantt diagram, along with the trend view and table, can be moved backward or forward in increments of 8 hours. You can select specific date by clicking on this button. In this case, 24-hour data is shown for selected day with the beginning in 6 a.m. Each time the time period is changed, you can recalculate the number of produced bottles, net production volume, and gross production volume by clicking on this button. That is all for today's tutorial. If you have further questions, please feel free to contact us and we will answer as soon as possible. Thank you for your attention and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.